Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming who owns what. Check the publisher, record label, and songwriter details right away. Once you know ownership, determine whether the recording or composition is copyrighted versus public domain or under Creative Commons. Make sure to list which specific rights you need: sync for visuals, master for the recording, performance for public use, and mechanical for reproductions. Then, prepare contact names and basic project info, length, territory, distribution channels, and budget so you can request permissions efficiently. You now write a concise license request stating the use, term, territory, platforms, and an estimated fee range. Include project delivery dates. Once done, contact the publisher for composition rights and the label for the master recording. Make sure you have ISRC and ISUC codes if available. Negotiate fees and terms. Ask about exclusivity, credit, sublicensing, and termination clauses. Use plain, professional language, and keep records of all communications. Make sure to confirm verbal agreements in writing before proceeding. You finish by executing written agreements and collecting invoices and signatures. Never rely on verbal promises. Once signed, obtain proof of license and note any usage restrictions. Register the usage where applicable and archive copies of contracts and payment records. If delivery or platform claims arise, present your license and contact the licensor immediately. If permission is denied or delayed, pivot quickly. Consider a cover version, royalty-free options, re-recording, or hiring a licensing broker to resolve hold-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.